Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and this is a small cleanup. Alright, today we've got a customer who wants their property they're about to sell just cleaned up and ready to put on the market. So what we got here is just some Lord Pedlums, crepe myrtles on the end, little monkey grass, some azaleas, and we're gonna come in and we're gonna trim the Lord Pedlums, go ahead and cut back these crepe myrtles while we're here, get everything defined. We're gonna prep the flower beds, and then we're gonna put a nice good thick bed of pine straw and really bring this house together. All right, on to the backyard. We've got a mess back here. We've got a crepe myrtle right there I'm gonna hit. Looks like a dog pen. We need to clean out all this overgrown grass. Everything just needs to, go. The customer was talking about sod, and I recommended that we give cleaning it up a shot first before we went all the way into with the sod. But that may be a later project. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and clean up and see if we can't get it to where we'd like. You see this? We need this all trimmed up. I want to make almost as much of a straight line as I can and cut back this frostbitten dead stuff. Dog pen, pretty much we're just gonna cut all this back, pretty much get some chainsaws in here, just make this accessible and clean it out. We're going to define all of the edges here on the driveway. As you can see the maintained property, and then we got to fix that. All right, we got everything cut back, kind of where we're wanting to go. Got everything defined. As you can see, he's over there working on that last little corner. We're gonna get all this fresh pine straw. We've got some, if you can see down here, I dug a groove. I can't really see it, but a groove. I can fit my finger in there. So that way, when we come with the weed eater, we're just making a nice, just clean edge. That way, turns out looking really, really good. Now also you can see all this crack grass. That's what I call it, grass that grows in the crack. We're gonna weed eat this down, and we're not just gonna leave it. We're gonna kill it too. So we're gonna weed eat it to where you can't see it, and then we're gonna kill it. That way it won't come back. Because why fix something if you don't fix it right? We got this one wrapped up. We took an overgrown yard. It has seen better days. We came back and trimmed all these Lord Pedlums, cut back their crepe myrtles, defined every little plant they had, put some nice thick pine straw around, just define those front beds, put a real nice edge on everything like I showed y'all, the good finger width. That way it's easier to edge later on, this starter groove. And then we went to the backyard and we just basically cleaned This whole backyard, it was a field. You can see, and we got everything knocked down. Cut that back. Like I said, I edged those to the top and just got everything to where the customer can decide whether they do want to go with ripping some new side, or if they just want to try to save this. But the job today is done, and we got everything cut back, everything gone. Front yard looking real good, and this house is ready to get put on the market. All right, y'all have a nice day.